Dear students, first of all, heartiest congratulations to all the students who have qualified prelims. Now starts the main struggle, the struggle for mains. Mains not only tests your objective knowledge, but obviously your ability to understand and to analyze the things. All those students who have put their hard labor so that they have got the positive results in the prelims, let us ensure that they do not miss the mains examination. At Shubhra Ranjan IAS, for civil services examination, we have always been doing the crash courses for the optional as well as for general studies. These crash course and capsule courses help the student in the last minute preparation and to give them much needed orientation. I would like to bring your attention for the Odisha's main crash course program. We are having 3 crash course programs which you can do at our center in Bhubaneswar. One is the optional programs. As you know, we offer 2 optionals, political science I take and our esteemed faculty Upendra sir takes the sociology sessions. Then of course GS is going to play a major role, and I believe that our GS answer writing program is going to give you much needed orientation. One thing more, I would like to also tell that our GS answer writing program will start from 11 December, mains PSIR answer writing will start from 15 December and sociology also from 15th December.